Amateur Logic Shorts.
If you're anything like me, you've got a lot of different devices that use batteries. Anything from drills, portable speakers, USB battery packs for your phone to recharge your phone, or whatever. And chances are they've got 18650 batteries. I'm going to show you how to get free batteries. It's sort of free, but anyway, a lot of people take these and dispose of them or take them to the recycle center, which is great to recycle, but I like to get the good cells out of here first. So let's go ahead and take this apart and reclaim these cells, and then we'll reuse them. Now I can't say this enough that this can be dangerous. These lithium ion batteries can explode on you, so you be very, very careful and do this at your own risk. So what I normally like to do is to cut each one of these conductors that comes from each of these batteries to keep the chance of shorting it out to a minimum. Again, you be very, very careful with this because it can cause a spark or they can explode. Now that we have our 5 batteries out, what are we going to do with them? We're going to need a way to charge these things, and we need to make sure that when we use them that they don't get below the working voltage of them. That's actually considered dead and unusable. So what we can do is, I've got this little battery charger that I bought on Amazon. It was pretty cheap. It's this little X-Tar VC4S charger. And it'll accept these batteries, AA's, AAA's, quite a few different ones. It's really versatile. It's not the best charger in the world, but it's functional. I may do a full review on this for Amateur Logic at some time in the future. Now I'm going to go ahead and put these cells in, and let's check and see if any of them are completely bad. Okay, it's on charge mode, and it looks like they're all charging. If there was one bad, it would have an error, an ERR right there. So let's try this other one that I didn't put in yet. And that one actually looks full. I put it on the charger, on the drill charger, so that one wasn't very low. Anyway, it looks like we got lucky and none of them are shorted. So that's great. What we need to do now is grade them and see how much current each one of these will hold. To do that, we'll take this charger and hit the button till it goes over to grade. And I think I may have found my bad cell. I've also got these little boards that I bought and these battery cell holders. This is a TP4056 board right here, and it'll charge one of these boards, will charge one of these cells, 18650 cells. It also has over discharge protection in it, so if your battery gets low, it'll stop the drain on the battery from whatever device you're powering from it and prevent your cell from being destroyed. Now I've also hooked this up to a little buck boost converter. I've shown these on Amateur Logic before. These are little 1 amp boards. I've stepped it up to 5 volts, and we'll take a look at that. So let's go ahead and put this in one of these little cheap battery holders that I bought, and we'll hook it up. You see the light came on, so we've got some power. And let's go ahead and check the voltage on it. I'll check what's coming from the battery into my board. So I'll check that right there. And we'll check it to the negatives. 3.69, so that's a pretty low battery. So let's see how much voltage we got coming out of our buck boost converter. It should be around 5 volts. And we do still, even with that low battery, we've got 5 volts that will power my Arduino just fine. And typically that's what I use these for. I mean, you can use your imagination and put some of these together in series or parallel and power other things with it. but it's a really convenient and easy way to have cheap power for some of your projects. I looked these batteries up by referencing this number on the internet. These were made by LG and they're only 1500 milliamp hour batteries. When this grading process finishes, I'll be able to compare what went into these cells against what they were manufactured for the 1500 milliamp hours. To charge these batteries using the TP4056, you just plug in a micro USB cable and you'll see the light come on and it'll indicate that it's charging. And when it's fully charged, I believe that it'll turn blue right there. Well, I hope you liked it. It's an easy way and a cheap way to get batteries, essentially free batteries, and a cheap way to get boards to use them. So this is less than $2 worth of boards, I think, and then maybe another 50 cents for the battery holder. And then for less than $2, then you've got power supply for Arduino projects or whatever. Anyway, hope you found it useful. 73.
If you enjoy Amateur Logic Shorts, please click the like button. Be sure to click subscribe to be notified when new episodes become available. And let your friends know about this video by clicking share.